Hi Travel Mania! Today let's dive in how to find cheap flight for your next adventure. Finding cheap flights can take a bit of time and effort, but it's definitely possible if you know where to look and are flexible with your travel plans. Here are some tips to help you find cheaper flights. Be flexible with dates and times. Off-peak travel flights are generally cheaper if you fly midweek, Tuesday or Wednesday, and avoid peak travel seasons like holidays. Early morning or late night, these flights tend to be less popular and therefore cheaper. Use flight comparison websites. Skyscanner, Kayak, Google Flights, and Momondo are excellent resources. They compare prices from different airlines and travel agencies. Sign up for price alerts. Many flight comparison websites allow you to set up price alerts for specific routes and dates. They'll notify you when prices drop. Utilize airline rewards and points. Join frequent flyer programs. Even if you don't fly often, you can earn points through credit card purchases, promotions, etc. Clear browser cookies or use incognito mode. Some booking sites might track your visits and raise prices if they see you're searching repeatedly. Clearing cookies or using incognito mode can sometimes help avoid this. Book connecting flights. Sometimes booking two separate one-way tickets can be cheaper than a round-trip ticket. Be cautious of short layovers to avoid missing connecting flights. Check alternative airports. Flying to or from nearby airports can sometimes result in significant savings. Be ready to book. When you find a good deal, be prepared to book quickly. Prices can change rapidly. Consider budget airlines. Budget airlines often offer significantly cheaper fares, but be aware of extra fees for baggage, meals, and seat selection. Look for deals and promo codes. Follow airlines on social media or sign up for newsletters to get notified of sales. Websites like Secret Flying and With a Flight Deal curate deals from various airlines. Book early, but not too early. Generally, booking 1-3 months in advance is recommended for domestic flights. For international flights, booking 2-8 months ahead is often advised. Consider package deals. Sometimes booking flights and hotels together through sites like Expedia, Travelocity, or Priceline can save money. Use student or senior discounts. If applicable, check for discounts available for students, seniors, or members of certain organizations. Be open to different destinations. Sometimes nearby cities or alternate airports can offer better deals. If you're flexible, this can lead to significant savings. Check for refundable fares. In uncertain times, it might be worth paying a bit more for a ticket that allows changes or cancellations without hefty fees. Follow airlines on social media. Airlines often announce flash sales or promotions on their social media platforms. Check currency exchange rates. Sometimes booking in a different currency can lead to savings. Consider round-the-world tickets. If you're planning an extended trip with multiple stops, round-the-world tickets can be cost-effective. By using these strategies and being patient, you can increase your chances of finding a great deal on your next flight. Happy hunting and see you in next video.